Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to Haniela's. Halloween is just around the corner and it's time to make some Halloween cookies. Today I'm gonna show you 3 different designs. We're gonna be making adorable candy corn cookies, silly jack-o'-lantern, and spooky cute ghost cookies. I used my sugar cookie dough recipe to make the cookies, and to decorate I'm using Fresh Lemon Royal Icing. You can find both recipes on my blog. Link is in the description box under the video. And this tutorial is brought to you by Wilton. Wilton sent me tons of stuff from their Halloween line, like these adorable Halloween cookie cutters and tons of sprinkles. I love sprinkles, they're so fun to use. You can use them on cookies, cupcakes, brownies, cakes. This mega set has really nice nonpareils that have some purple in them, and that's perfect for Halloween. I also got to try Wilton's Color Right system. These are concentrated gel colors, and you can use these to color royal icing, buttercream, cookie dough, fondant. They come with a mixing chart. It gives you exact measurements of colors you need to add to mix a certain color. So we're going to mix purple. I'm adding some pink and blue. Chart also suggests to add red. I ended up just using pink and blue. It worked really well for the shade of purple I was looking for. You can see it's nice and purple. For all the tools and recipes, be sure to visit my blog. Link is in the description box under the video. And now let's get started with this tutorial. So first I'm going to make baskets as royal icing transfers. I'm piping 20-second consistency purple royal icing on a piece of wax paper. Underneath there I have a paper template. While purple is wet, take black royal icing, also about 20-second consistency, and pipe the eyes and the mouth. And while icing is still wet, shape black mouth and eyes, and then we're gonna let that dry. Once dry, you can simply remove the baskets from the wax paper, and now we're gonna build it up. So I'm piping some orange and then gluing the basket onto the orange, and now you can decorate with sprinkles. Dust it with some orange sanding sugar. Now carefully shake off the excess and let these dry again. Once dry, you can peel them off. You can make these ahead of time, store these in an airtight container away from direct sunlight and moisture. With edible marker, mark the outlines for the sections. We're going to use white, orange, and yellow royal icing, 15-second consistency. And if you are new to cookie decorating and have no idea what 15-second consistency is, be sure to check my tutorial about royal icing consistency. I'm going to include the link down below in the description box. Let it dry. And now we're going to add candy eyes, pipe the mouth with piping consistency black royal icing. Now we're gonna attach that cute basket we made and make the arms. So this is the first design. Second design is a spooky cute ghost. I'm using 15-second consistency white royal icing. Notice I'm not going all the way down. we're going to ice this section with white, and then the bottom is going to be light gray. To make the gray, I just add a tiny amount of black to my white royal icing. Now immediately take the gray and flood this section. And now with a needle tool, we're going to shape the gray. You can really drag it into the white royal icing, accentuate the points and just shape it. You have to do this though while the white icing is still wet. If you wait too long, then it starts to crust and it won't be as nice. Let it dry and then we can attach candy eyes, and I'm also going to add some bats. To make the cheeks, I'm using pink luster dust and a clean, dry, food-only paintbrush. This is a super simple, cute design. My second ghost design, it's almost the same. It starts off the same, but we're also going to add arms and some Halloween lights and a mouth. I'm using piping consistency to make the mouth. Now to make the arms, we're gonna use white and light gray. And between the arms, pipe a black line, and then we can attach pumpkin sprinkles. These are the lights, super cute. So that's the second design, ghost, and my third design is a silly jack-o'-lantern. So with edible marker, draw the outline for the mouth on a cookie. You really don't need a template for this. You can go and just have fun with different shapes of mouths. You can look them up online if you're not sure. And then with black royal icing, 15-second consistency, outline and flood the mouth. Place the cookie onto the black sanding sugar, and then you can shake off the excess. Use a dry brush if needed. Let that sit for about 10-15 minutes, and then use 15-second consistency orange royal icing and outline and flood the cookie. Let it crust for at least an hour or two, and then make the stem with green royal icing, 20-second consistency. Add some orange and black nonpareils, and now with piping consistency we're gonna pipe vertical lines across. Now we're gonna attach candy eyes. Aren't these silly? These are so fun. Now another option, instead of black sanding sugar, you can use those fun nonpareils I mentioned in the beginning with some purple in them. These are really fun. And then just repeat the same process. And here are the finished Silly Jack-o'-lantern cookies. I love how these turned out. This was such a fun Halloween cookie decorating tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Let me know which of these cookies is your favorite. And again, thanks to Wilton for sending me all the fun Halloween cookie cutters, sprinkles, and food colors. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the bell button so you get notified about my new uploads. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.